Hello everyone, I'm Satya in Way 2 Bank Loan Services. Everything you need to know before borrowing. Are you planning to buy a house, start a business, or purchase your dream car? Loans can make it possible. But before you borrow, it's important to understand what loan services are and how they work. In this video, we'll break down the basics of loan services and why understanding them is key to making smart financial decisions. What are loan services? Loan services are financial solutions provided by banks, NBFCs, or credit unions to help individuals and businesses borrow money. Example, if you need 5 lakh rupees for home renovation, a loan service provider helps you get the funds and sets up a repayment plan. Why people take loans? Common reasons: buying a home, car, business expansion, education, emergencies. In India, more than 60% of salaried individuals use some form of credit or loan. How loan services work: the provider lends you money, right pointing arrow. You agree to repay in installments, right pointing arrow includes principal plus interest. Example, animated flowchart showing borrower, right pointing arrow, bank, right pointing arrow, EMI payments. Choosing the right loan service: check interest rates, processing fees, repayment flexibility, and customer support. Compare at least 3 different providers before applying. Conclusion: to make the most of loans, you need to understand how loan services work and what's right for your needs. In upcoming videos, we'll explore different loan types, eligibility, and tips to save money. If you're planning to borrow, connect with Way 2 Bank Loan for personalized loan solutions. Suggestions: home loan, car loan, education loan, business loan against property. Loan process: CIBIL score, eligibility check, apply loan. Top 5 reasons people take loans. What's the main reason you're considering taking a loan? Share in the comments.